Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a senior and the student council president here at Notre Dame.
Hi, I'm Notre. I'm a senior here at Notre Dame. First and foremost, we're in the lovely West Village, one of my most favorite neighborhoods here in Manhattan.
I've always been really passionate about music, so finding a school with a dedication to the arts was really important to me when I was choosing a high school. So as soon as I stepped into Notre Dame as a freshman, I knew I needed to find my home, and I found it immediately in Glee Club and Drama Club.
I, like many commuters here, love going to school in the West Village as it gets me outside my bubble and we get to explore a neighborhood we wouldn't get to otherwise.
Notre Dame has a flourishing arts program with opportunities for students both inside the school, like concerts and musicals, and outside of the school. Just last week, I had the opportunity to perform the national anthem in a trio with two other students at a breakfast with the police commissioner and Cardinal Dolan. And last May, I got to sing the responsorial psalm at a mass at St. Patrick's Cathedral.
I believe I wouldn't be the person I am today without Notre Dame. Before I came to Notre Dame, like many middle schoolers, I thought my opinions didn't matter or I wasn't smart enough to be a leader. Leadership is something that I shied away from. And now at Notre Dame, I have been given the vehicle to know that I can do whatever I want as long as I was willing to put in the work and put in those hours.
There's a place for every student here at Notre Dame. With a wide range of activities in the arts, athletics, social justice, volunteering, and more, every student finds a community to grow within and eventually give back to. I'm extremely grateful for all the opportunities I've had in music at Notre Dame.
I love comprising the mosaic that is diversity here at Notre Dame. As president of Union of Color, I've gotten to see girls of all ethnicities spanning across 5 continents. Welcome. We'd love to invite you to the rest of the tour.
Welcome to our home, Chez Nous.
Welcome to Notre Dame School's virtual open house. My name is Sister Virginia O'Brien, and I'm the president of Notre Dame. Thank you for spending some time with us. Right now, I'm in the school library, here in our high school for girls on West 13th Street in the West Village. Our school has 27 different classrooms. Each of them are fully equipped technologically. We have smart TVs in every room. Each teacher has a MacBook Pro, an Apple Pencil, an iPad. We are able to conduct classes in person and virtually through Zoom. Thanks to our technology coach and the experience of our teachers, I'd like to give you a little history of our school and our mission. Taking you back a few centuries, in the late 16th century, St. Ignatius of Loyola, whom you see here, lived in Spain. He was a great educator and founded many schools, as well as, of course, founded the Jesuits. Our founder, Anne de Saintonge, was greatly influenced by St. Ignatius. As you can also see here, one of his schools that was in Dijon, France, was a school that Anne de Saintonge saw outside her bedroom window. She was inspired to do the same thing for girls, to provide them with an excellent education. Here we have a picture of Anne de Saintonge. Really, it's an icon. Anne is the person in the front who is holding a little lamp. Behind her is her angel. Anne was inspired to enlighten girls through education. This little lamp is still an important symbol for us. When you come to visit the school in person, you'll see the lamp in the light fixture in our chapel. You'll also see a gate. This is a gate to the city of Dole. Anne de Saintonge wanted to go out. She went to Dole to found her first school. The gates here may remind you of the gates outside Notre Dame School here on West 13th Street. Our school is founded on Anne's values. You can see this image of woven ribbons. There are actually 12 ribbons. Each one is a symbol of a different value. Just to name a few of the values, one very important to teenage girls is friendship. The girls who come to Notre Dame form friends for a lifetime. Other values include trust, respect, and responsibility. Our students are trustworthy, respectful, and responsible. Another value that is important to me is magis. It means to do the more in a spirit of gratitude. Certainly, the girls who come to our school are grateful for the exceptional education they have here at Notre Dame, and they share their gifts and talents with people near and far. Our Jesuit connection remains strong today. Several of you may know the Jesuit in the picture here, Father Ken Bowler. He's currently the pastor of St. Francis Xavier Church and has been president of that school. We have liturgies here at Notre Dame, usually monthly. The mission here at Notre Dame promotes academic excellence, an awareness of God in the students' lives, and engagement with the world around them. That's all possible here through the coursework and the various opportunities that the girls have to learn both inside and outside the classroom. Notre Dame School is a member of NYSACE, the New York State Association of Independent Schools. We are one of 9 girls' schools in Manhattan that are a member of this association. Your investment in a Notre Dame education will pay off. 100% of our students attend 4-year colleges and universities upon graduation. 100% of them for the past 2 years have won academic scholarships to college. We're currently in the library here at Notre Dame. You're seeing a different view of the library. We have over 9,000 volumes here. All the girls take 4 years of English when they're at Notre Dame. Some take or have the opportunity to take 2 AP English courses, one in junior year, one in senior year. The display on the bookshelf near the library office window is a display of 9th grade work. It's based on The Dinner Party by Judy Chicago. Our virtual tour continues with a view of the art room. We're delighted to have art here at Notre Dame School. All 9th graders have an opportunity to take art. You can continue with your study of art by taking AP Art History in junior year and AP Studio Art in senior year. Our art teacher is Miss Davenport. She's created a wonderful art project that involved every member of our school this September. The art project is on the school theme for the year, which is community. We're taking a look at the computer room now. We are delighted to have Mr. Alaric Lejano as our technology director. We have AP computers for the senior year. As you can see, we have several Mac computers in this room. Students can come and be protected again by our Lexan panels, enjoy using the computer, catch up on homework, and study skills.
Welcome visitors. My name is Karina Vargas and I am the school principal of Notre Dame School of Manhattan. I am a proud alumna of the school and I can speak from experience how lucky we are to be at a place we can call home, Chez Nous. I am happy to announce that we are back in school 5 days a week in person. It is truly a joy to see our students walk into the building and hear their laughters again. We offer a challenging curriculum in a nurturing and collaborative environment. Our students love to learn, but they also enjoy helping each other inside or outside the classroom. Our peer tutors are here in the morning as early as 7:30 to provide their fellow Chez Nous sisters with academic help. We are very fortunate to have the best teachers in New York City. They always strive to provide the best education to our students. They enhance their learning through conferences, workshops, and classes. At Notre Dame School, we offer 11 AP courses, 4 years of math and science, English, language, and history. We are truly blessed with our location. We have beautiful and historical parks and streets, museums such as the Whitney and Rubin, the High Line, Chelsea Piers, and our newest addition, the Little Island. Our students will have the opportunity to visit these hidden and not so hidden gems in our neighborhood throughout the school year. Technology is an integral part of learning. We offer a one-to-one iPad program here at Notre Dame School. All our students are required to take a year of technology literacy in their freshman year. Our students are prepared to be good global citizens and they will learn how to use different applications and platforms for their classroom.
Everything about this school is girl-led, and they come to expect that. It's not an unusual thing for them. So they go off to college and they're not going to sit there and sort of timidly ask, can I play a part in the leadership of this college? They're going to expect it. I've said 100 times in my 4 years, going on 5 years here now, I've learned more from the girls than they have from me. And every single day, I find myself inspired somehow. I think I can't help but notice how far ahead of me they are. When I was their age, I don't even know what I was doing. I have no idea. I think I was playing video games and hoping not to fail class. I don't know. But the girls now, they're so strong, and they're so smart, and they're so determined, and they're so uncompromising in what they want from this world. We're not a huge school. We do get to know each other really well. That's sort of the point. That's what an ideal school will do. You get to know each other well, faculty to student, administration, parents.
Hello everyone, my name is Colleen McGrath and I'm honored to serve as Notre Dame's assistant principal. I'm new to Notre Dame this year, and one of the things that truly drew me to the Notre Dame community is the mission of the school and the values that we instill in the students. Anne de Saintage was driven by her belief that young women should have the same educational opportunities as young men. Notre Dame strives to live out her mission and the Ignatian spirituality in all aspects of the school. Some of the opportunities that Notre Dame provides that teach girls to be women for others are the Arupe Summit and the Ignatian Teach-In for Justice, which takes place in Washington, D.C. The Teach-In gathers students together from Ignatian schools all over the country, and they come together to talk about social justice and are empowered to speak to their local representatives after the weekend is through. One motto that I have grown to cherish in my years of education is men and women for others. This belief is that education is not just for the self, but for the betterment of society. The Arupe Leaders Summit is similar in that it gathers together emerging Ignatian leaders and teaches them about social justice. Notre Dame strives to help the girls uncover their passions and interests while also helping them develop spiritually. Girls are invited to attend school liturgies. They're also invited to be part of the TLC, which is the liturgy club. This club plans the liturgies and ensures that all of the liturgies are both appropriate and welcoming for all students. In addition, Notre Dame offers a wide variety of clubs to help students identify what their passions are. Notre Dame has a glee club, an art club, a music club, a yearbook club, a step team, and a book club, and many others. The book club, for example, will remain virtual this year so that it can be open to all members of the community, family members, friends, and more. I'm so proud to be a part of the Notre Dame community and to be shaping the girls into becoming women for others.
My students inspire me every single day. They bring so much joy and unbridled passion into everything that they do. They're witty, they're funny, they're joyful. ND prepares girls for a life of leadership through teaching them confidence, through instilling confidence in their daily life. Chez Nous as a home is a place where you can be yourself, where you can be comfortable, where you know you're safe, where you know you're loved, and where you know your teachers and your fellow Chez Nous sisters will take care of you.
My name is Jacqueline Governale. I am the admissions director here at Notre Dame School of Manhattan, and although I've only been here a short time, I can already attest to the love and acceptance that this school community has shown me, and I'm sure to the rest of the student body as well. Although every year we look forward to open house and being able to meet our incoming Notre Dame students in person, we hope that you were able to get a little bit of a sense as to what being a Notre Dame student is all about. And we do encourage you to continue your virtual visit today by visiting our homepage at www.chezneux.org, working your way through our virtual 360 interactive tour. On this tour, you will be able to explore all of our beautiful facilities on campus, as well as hear from teachers and students about what it means to be a member of the Notre Dame community. Now, I know this journey towards high school can be very overwhelming, not just for the students, but for mom and dad as well. So I want to let you all know that if you do need any assistance as you move towards your high school years, You are more than welcome to reach out to me by phone or email, and I will reach back out to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for spending your time with us today, and we look forward to seeing you on campus one day soon.